For bettering the fight of leukemia patients worldwide, the 2022 Canada Gairdner International Award goes to Dr. John Dick. Dick is being awarded for his discovery of leukemic stem cells, providing insights into the understanding, diagnosis, and treatment of acute myeloid leukemia. Dick's research tracked leukemia development from normal blood stem cells to pre-leukemic and leukemic stem cells that then drive leukemia cell production. He uncovered that the leukemic stem cell is a source of relapse for acute myeloid leukemia patients. Dick's work highlights the importance of eradicating leukemic stem cells when delivering therapy, plus the need for new therapies targeting stem cell vulnerabilities. Dick's discovery has changed the understanding of cancer's biology and stimulated the exploration of cancer stem cells in other types of cancer. Gairdner celebrates excellence, convenes leaders, and inspires the next generation. Learn more about Gairdner laureates and programs at gairdner.org.